Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can easily switch SIM card for mobile data on Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings on our Android phone. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the connection setting. And you need to click on this connections option, and here you have to select the SIM card manager or SIM manager. Okay, and since we want to switch SIM card for mobile data, we can select mobile data, and here you can choose SIM card for your mobile data. And I'm just going to select SIM1. And then actually there is another way to switch SIM card for your mobile data. You can go to your notification panel like this, and here you just need to select mobile data. Then you can select which of the SIM card you would like to use for your mobile data on your Android phone. And alright guys, that's how we can easily switch a SIM card for mobile data on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.